Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can open external links in Facebook. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. Open up the Facebook app on your phone. And here, find the link that you would like to open. And click on it. And as you can see, you have it open automatically in Facebook. Next, to open it as an external link, you'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner. Next, select the Open External Browser section. And as you can see, now this link, it loads in an external browser. So that's the very simple way, friends, you'll be able to quickly and easily open external links in your Facebook continuation. I really hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please don't forget to write your comments, be sure to put likes, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.